Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to color grade in Adobe Photoshop like a pro. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So I'll be working with these two images over here. So let's start with the first one. Let's add a solid color. So click here and select solid color. When the color picker pops up, you can choose any color of your choice and then just click on OK. Now let's change the blend mode of the color fill layer over here. So change it from normal to multiply. Now click on FX and select blending options. Over here, hold down the Alt key, left click and hold, and then drag all the way to the left side. Something like this is okay. And then click on OK. So what we have to do now is to double click here and you can change the colors. This is such a very nice color grading effect that we have over here. When you click and hold and then push the cursor to the right, you reduce the intensity of the color grading, and when you push it to the right side, you increase the intensity of the color grading. Also, when you push it to the top, you brighten the color in our color grading, and then when you push it down, you darken the colors in our color grading. So just place it somewhere here. Let's go with the red. I think red will be okay. So something like this. Okay. Now let's click on OK. So here is the before and here is the after. The before and after. And you can always go in and then make some adjustments to it. So I think something like this is okay for me. Nice. So now let's move on to the second image. So this is the second image. We will be doing the same process. So click here and select solid color. Once the color picker pops up, just select any part of the color that you want and click on OK. Now change the blend mode from normal and select multiply. Go to FX and select blending options. Now hold down the Alt key, left click and hold it, then drag all the way to the left side and click on OK. Now you can double click on the color picker, on the color layer, to get access to the color picker, and you can choose any color of your choice. So you can see that we've been changing the color grading of this particular image. So let's go with something like this. Then let me push it here and click on OK. Now here is the before and here is the after. Okay guys, so this is how to easily color grade in Adobe Photoshop like a pro. If you like this video and then you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also like, comment and share with others.